Welcome to our lesson about complex sentences. Let's look at our objectives for today. We will learn what complex sentences are, how to use subordinating conjunctions, and practice creating complex sentences. Let's understand what a complex sentence is. A complex sentence has two main parts. First, let's look at what makes a complex sentence. It must have one independent clause that can stand alone as a complete thought. It also needs at least one dependent clause that cannot stand alone. Here's an example. I do my homework because I want good grades. The blue part is independent and can stand alone. The green part is dependent and needs the main clause to make sense. Let's read a story and find the complex sentences in it. Tom plays outside when the sun shines. Because it is raining, he stays inside today. He reads a book while his cat sleeps. Let's find all the dependent clauses in this story. In the first sentence, when the sun shines is the dependent clause. In the second sentence, because it is raining is the dependent clause. And in the third sentence, while his cat sleeps is the dependent clause. Let's learn about common subordinating conjunctions. We can remember them using AA, AW, W, U, BBIS. These are words that start dependent clauses. After, although, and as. When, while, and until. Before and because. And finally, if and since. Let's practice. Choose the correct subordinating conjunction. I wear a coat, it is cold. Which subordinating conjunction should we use? The correct answer is when. We use it to show when something happens. Great job! You're getting good at using complex sentences. Let's review what we learned about complex sentences. A complex sentence needs an independent clause. It also needs a dependent clause with a subordinating conjunction. Remember to use a comma when the dependent clause comes first. Great job, everyone! Now you know all about complex sentences.